Picture this: you've taken great care of your skin, followed a meticulous skincare routine, and even invested in high-end facial treatments. But then you look down at your hands, dry, wrinkled, and covered in age spots. Suddenly, they give away more about your age than your face does. It's a common problem. Hands are one of the first places to show signs of aging, yet they are often neglected. The skin on your hands is thinner than on most parts of the body, making them more vulnerable to wrinkles, dryness, and dark spots. Adding constant exposure to the sun, water, and chemicals, and it's no surprise they age so quickly. But don't worry. You can reverse the signs of aging and restore soft, youthful hands. With a combination of the right skin care, natural remedies, and healthy habits, your hands will look as youthful as the rest of you. Let's explore the best anti-aging remedies to transform dry, wrinkled hands into smooth, hydrated, and glowing ones. Hello friends, welcome back to Essential Cures. Why do hands age faster than the face? It's often said that if you want to know someone's real age, look at their hands. While both the hands and face are exposed to environmental stresses, the skin on the hands is thinner, more delicate, and has fewer oil glands, making it more prone to dryness, wrinkles, and discoloration. Understanding why hands age quickly is key to preventing and reversing the signs of aging. Here are the main culprits behind aging hands and how they impact your skin. Loss of collagen and elastin: the skin support system weakens. Collagen and elastin are the building blocks of youthful skin. Collagen keeps skin firm and plump, while elastin maintains its elasticity. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen and elastin, causing the skin on our hands to become thinner and more fragile. Develop wrinkles and fine lines. Lose volume, making veins and tendons more visible. Appear bony and hollow. Since the skin on the hands has very little fat, the loss of collagen and elastin is much more noticeable than on the face. Without the cushion of fat and strong protein fibers, the hands develop a crepey texture and a sagging appearance. Solution: use collagen-boosting products like vitamin C serum, retinol, and peptides, and consider collagen supplements to improve skin firmness from within. Sun damage: photoaging, the #1 cause of wrinkles and dark spots. Did you know that up to 80% of visible aging is caused by sun exposure? The hands are exposed to the sun daily, whether you're driving, walking, or working outdoors. Unlike the face, which often gets sunscreen and makeup with SPF, the hands are usually left unprotected. How UV rays damage the hands. Breaks down collagen and elastin, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. Causes hyperpigmentation, dark spots, age spots, and uneven skin tone. Dries out the skin, making fine lines more prominent. Even short periods of sun exposure add up over time, causing the hands to age prematurely. If you've ever noticed brown spots or rough patches on the back of your hands, those are clear signs of sun-induced damage. Solution: apply broad-spectrum SPF 30+ sunscreen to your hands daily, reapplying after washing or when spending extended time outdoors. Wearing gloves while driving can also protect against UV rays. Frequent hand washing and harsh chemicals, stripping away natural oils. With the rise of hand sanitizers and frequent hand washing, the skin barrier on our hands is constantly being stripped of its natural moisture. While washing hands is essential for hygiene, it removes the protective oils that keep skin soft and hydrated. Common culprits that worsen hand aging. Harsh soaps and detergents strip the skin of moisture and weaken its barrier. Alcohol-based hand sanitizers dry out the skin and cause irritation. Cleaning products, bleach, disinfectants, dish soap break down the skin's protective layer, leading to rough, cracked hands. This constant exposure to drying agents accelerates the appearance of wrinkles, rough patches, and irritation. The skin barrier becomes weak, leading to redness, peeling, and a leathery texture. Solution: use a gentle, hydrating hand wash with ingredients like glycerin and aloe vera, and always follow up with a moisturizing hand cream after washing. When using cleaning products, wear protective gloves to shield your hands from harsh chemicals. Lack of hydration, dryness accelerates aging. One of the biggest reasons hands appear older is a lack of moisture. The skin on the hands has fewer sebaceous, oiled glands than the face, making it more prone to dryness and dehydration. When the skin lacks moisture, it becomes dull and rough, more prone to fine lines and wrinkles, tight, flaky, and irritated. Dehydrated skin also exaggerates the appearance of wrinkles, making hands look more aged than they really are. Solution: apply a rich, nourishing hand cream multiple times a day, especially after washing hands. Look for hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and ceramides to replenish moisture and restore smoothness. For extra hydration, wear moisturizing gloves overnight. Neglect in skincare routines: hands need care too. Many people spend hundreds of dollars on facial skincare but completely ignore their hands. This neglect fast-tracks aging, making wrinkles, discoloration, and dryness more pronounced. Solution: treat your hands like you treat your face. Incorporate daily moisturizing, hydrate your hands morning and night. Weekly exfoliation, remove dead skin to reveal fresh, youthful skin. Serums and treatments, use anti-aging serums with vitamin C or retinol. Sunscreen, protect against sun damage every single day. Best anti-aging remedies for dry and wrinkled hands. Now that we understand why hands age, let's dive into the best remedies to restore their youthfulness, smoothness, and hydration. By following these steps consistently, you can rejuvenate your hands and keep them looking young for years to come. Number 1. Hydration, the key to soft, supple hands. Moisture is the foundation of youthful skin. Without proper hydration, hands lose elasticity, develop fine lines, and feel rough and flaky. Keeping your hands moisturized plumps the skin, reduces wrinkles, and prevents dryness. How to keep hands hydrated? Choose a rich hand cream. Look for products containing hyaluronic acid, deeply hydrates and locks in moisture. Shea butter, softens and nourishes dry skin. Glycerine, attracts and retains moisture. Pro tip: apply hand cream immediately after washing your hands to lock in moisture. Overnight moisturizing treatment. For intense hydration, try an overnight treatment. Apply a thick layer of hand cream before bed. Wear cotton gloves overnight to trap moisture and allow deep penetration. Wake up with softer, smoother hands. DIY hydrating hand mask. For an extra moisture boost, try this simple homemade hand mask. Avocado and honey mask. Mash 1/2 an avocado and mix with 1 tablespoon honey. Apply the mixture to your hands and leave for 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and apply moisturizer. Why it works: avocado is packed with healthy fats that nourish dry skin, while honey is a natural humect that locks in moisture. Number 2. Sun protection, the ultimate anti-aging strategy. Sun exposure is the number 1 cause of premature aging in hands. The UV rays break down collagen and elastin, causing wrinkles, dark spots, age spots, sagging skin. How to protect your hands from UV damage? Apply sunscreen daily. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30+ sunscreen on your hands every morning. Reapply every 2 hours if outdoors or after washing your hands. Wear protective gloves. Use UV-blocking gloves when driving, since sunlight penetrates car windows. Wear gloves while gardening, cleaning, or washing dishes to prevent damage from chemicals and water. Number 3. Exfoliation, remove dead skin for a smoother look. Exfoliation removes dry, flaky skin, allowing moisturizers to penetrate more effectively. It also helps reveal fresher, younger-looking skin. How to exfoliate your hands? Use a gentle scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon brown sugar with 1 tablespoon olive oil. Massage the scrub into your hands for 2 minutes, then rinse. Repeat twice a week for best results. Try chemical exfoliation. Hand creams with lactic acid, glycolic acid, or salicylic acid dissolve dead skin and promote cell renewal. Number 4. Collagen boosters, restore firmness and elasticity. Collagen keeps skin firm and youthful, but its production declines with age. Boosting collagen can improve skin texture, thickness, and hydration. How to boost collagen in your hands. Topical Vitamin C Serum. Apply a vitamin C serum to your hands every morning. Vitamin C stimulates collagen production and brightens dark spots. Collagen supplements. Drinking hydrolyzed collagen peptides daily can enhance skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles. Eat collagen-rich foods. Bone broth, eggs, fish, and citrus fruits naturally boost collagen levels. Number 5. Natural oils, deep nourishment for aging hands. Oils penetrate deeply, hydrating and repairing the skin barrier. They also contain essential fatty acids and vitamins that fight aging. Best natural oils for your hands. Coconut oil prevents water loss and softens skin. Almond oil, rich in vitamin E, it fights wrinkles. Argan oil, packed with antioxidants to protect against aging. Pro tip: massage a few drops of oil into your hands every night before bed for maximum hydration. Number 6. Hand exercises improve circulation and firmness. Just like your face, your hands have muscles that need exercise to stay firm. Keeping your hands active and flexible improves blood circulation, preventing sagging skin and stiffness. Simple hand exercises. Finger stretch. Spread fingers wide, hold for 10 seconds, and relax. Repeat 5 times to increase flexibility. Hand grip strengthening. Squeeze a stress ball for 10 representatives daily. Improves muscle tone and circulation. Wrist rotations. Rotate your wrists in small circles for 30 seconds. Enhances blood flow to your hands. Number 7. Professional treatments for aging hands. If home remedies aren't enough, consider professional treatments for long-lasting, dramatic improvements. Hyaluronic acid fillers. Plumps up thin, bony hands by restoring lost volume. Results last 6 to 12 months. Laser therapy. Reduces dark spots and stimulates collagen production. Chemical peels. Removes damaged skin for smoother, younger-looking hands. Bonus: daily hand care routine for youthful hands. Follow this simple daily routine to keep your hands looking young and smooth. Morning routine. Apply sunscreen, SPF 30+. Use a lightweight moisturizer. After washing hands, reapply hand cream to lock in moisture. Night routine. Use a deep hydrating hand cream. Apply natural oils like coconut or almond oil. Wear cotton gloves for overnight hydration. Twice a week. Exfoliate using a gentle scrub. Apply a hydrating hand mask. Final thoughts: give your hands the love they deserve. Your hands work hard every day, so they deserve proper care. By following these simple yet effective remedies, you can prevent wrinkles, reduce dryness, restore elasticity and smoothness. The best part? It's never too late to start caring for your hands. A little consistency and the right care can bring back soft, youthful hands in no time. So, which remedy are you excited to try first? Let's bring back those beautiful, youthful hands. Smiling face. Bonus: daily hand care routine for youthful hands. Consistency is key when it comes to keeping your hands soft, youthful, and wrinkle-free. Just like you follow a skincare routine for your face, your hands need daily care to maintain hydration, protect against aging, and restore their smoothness. Here's a simple daily hand care routine to incorporate into your lifestyle for long-term results. Morning: protect and hydrate. Start your day by applying a lightweight, fast-absorbing hand cream enriched with hyaluronic acid or glycerin. These ingredients lock in moisture and prevent dehydration throughout the day. Follow up with a broad-spectrum sunscreen, SPF 30+, to protect your hands from UV damage, which is a leading cause of premature aging. If you're heading outdoors or driving, consider wearing UV protective gloves to provide extra defense against sun exposure. Pro tip: keep a small travel-size sunscreen in your bag or car so you can reapply as needed. After washing hands, replenish lost moisture. Washing hands frequently is essential for hygiene, but it also strips the skin of natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Immediately after washing, apply a hand cream containing ingredients like shea butter, ceramides, or almond oil to restore hydration and reinforce the skin barrier. If you use hand sanitizers, opt for one that contains moisturizing agents like aloe vera to prevent excessive drying. Pro tip: keep a tube of hand cream by every sink in your home and in your bag to make moisturizing a seamless habit. You might want to dive into other topics of interest, like knowing more about common habits that make you age faster without you even noticing it. Let's keep the conversation going with a couple of more health-related videos for awesome wellness. Go ahead, click and learn more.